Hey everybody, Caleb here. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Asus GeForce GT 1030, a $130 graphics card that boasts having the lowest power requirement of 30 watts. I'm going to be using GTA 5 to benchmark this, and without further ado, let's check it out. Alright, I got the graphics card here. Received it in the mail today. We're going to be installing it in this Lenovo computer. Lenovo, however you pronounce it. Today we got the GeForce GT 1030. This is the OC edition, so it's better, I guess. Let's just get this box open. Boom. And here we have the card. Take it out of this static protection. So this graphics card has one fan, one HDMI port, and a DVI. I think it said it had 2 gigabytes of internal memory. Yes, it does. It's pretty small. So we're gonna see how this performs in this 2013 computer. Crack it open. Pop this side off. I think we gotta take this front off before we can actually get to the goods. Should pop off like that, and just pop this out. It's like Space Machine. Lots of room. Alright, so ironically enough it goes in a bit upside down, but should just slowly go in. And there we have it. It's installed. Pretty easy install, nothing to it. Before installing the card, the game would have looked like this. To get a good frame rate, a lot of compromises had to be made. Using tips from the YouTuber The Low Spec Gamer, I got it to run in a good 80 FPS, until you started driving. Also, everyone looked like potatoes.
Bruh, Simpsons Easter egg.
So how good is this $130 graphics card? Initially, I was blown away. I didn't expect this little 30-watt card to be able to push this much power, but it gets it done. With almost all the settings turned to high, it can still manage to get GTA 5 to a playable state. Compared to what it was before, I'd say that this $130 graphics card is totally worth it for a budget gamer. But wait, it runs games well, but what features does it come with? I'm glad you asked. Included in the box is a GPU Tweak 2 CD, which includes programs like Asus GPU Tweak. This lets you actively monitor your GPU clock, memory clock, GPU temperature, GPU fan speed, memory usage, and a whole lot of other useful things. There's 3 presets alongside the option to make your own custom settings. You can even set a cap for your frame rate. In addition to that, this program also gives you access to a lot of your NVIDIA settings. And to be completely honest, I don't know too much about the physics engine, but I do understand that it has a big difference in Borderlands 2. In the Tools menu, you get access to XSplit, a screen recording software, FurMark, a high-intensity benchmark, and Aura, an additional graphics card software that does basically the same thing that this one does. We're not going to look into that today. Alongside this program, there's a couple others that come pre-installed, in particular GeForce Experience. You can use this program to change and optimize the settings of your games without having to launch them. You can also preview what the settings are going to look like. You also have access to downloading and installing drivers straight from the NVIDIA website. And there you have it. That's my review of the Asus GeForce GT 1030. I'd give this graphics card a personal rating of 8 out of 10. This card exceeded expectations. Thank you for watching my video. I know this is a bit of a different pace for my channel, but I'm hoping everyone enjoyed.